Introducing the Fiorucci Gondola Getaway, a chance to enjoy quality Italian tastes and some long overdue quality time with one another. Because at Fiorucci, with more than 170 years of handcrafted Italian recipes, we know the importance of taking time for the things that matter. That's why we took to the waters of Long Beach, California, to provide an authentic Italian escape.
This is Long Beach. We're on a gondola in Long Beach.
I feel like we don't even need to go to Italy. We're already here.
We wanted to give people a chance to slow down their fast-paced lives and spend a day the Italian way, savoring every minute of our time-honored Fiorucci recipes.
The paninos were my favorite, definitely, I think a fan favorite for all of us.
The salami was fantastic.
The meat and the cheese were so good.
They were.
Yeah.
Have you tried these little salamis? They're so good. I've had like 10 of them already.
I've never heard of Fiorucci before, but moving forward, I will be using them on my boards.
And we wanted them to have a chance to savor some much-needed quality time, too.
What do you love most about our relationship?
I'm a cool mom, and you're comfortable telling me anything.
I can just like really live in the moment with you and like share beautiful food where I'm just so happy.
So whether you're in need of a delicious date night, a face-to-face family dinner, or a beautiful spread that brings the girls together, here's to slowing down.
Savoring every minute is really about disconnecting and just being present.
Putting your phone away, embracing what's in front of you.
Slow down and to really appreciate like the essence of life.
Here's to getting away.
It's like a little slice of Italy.
Have you ever went to Italy for a moment? Then you have to stamp my passport.
And savoring every minute with Fiorucci.